Alright, what's up guys? So in today's video, as the title says, I'm finally getting my trunk fixed. Alright, so as I mentioned on the 2 videos ago that I didn't know what I was gonna do. Luckily, I reached out to him and he is a friend of mine and his work is fantastic. As you can see, I have so many things in the back. In here, all that. Yeah, so it's super dirty right now. Super dirty, so I'm going to clean this up with a vacuum cleaner. And yeah. Look at this. I haven't seen my trunk like this in a minute, but it's super clean now. I also wiped down the bottom part. Everything is clean and ready to go. Cleaned everything up and I am ready to go, and I'm gonna head to the shop now. I'll see you guys when I'm at the shop. Alright, so this is basically how it looks right now. It's wingless. You guys know from my last 2 videos, and then there's gnarly holes right here. And so Leighton, that's gonna come right now, he works here and he's gonna basically redo this whole entire thing. Super excited. He's super good at body work and he's done an amazing job to like different cars on the island, so I'm just really excited to get it right and get it done right. So super excited about that. Alright, so this is Leighton and he is going to be fixing this hatch and making a magical transformation because he is said to be one of the best auto body worker in Hawaii, and I trust his work and I love his work, and I kind of told him that I wouldn't get it done by anybody else. So here's me, first job coming here and fixing this, eventually getting this whole car rebuilt by him, but that is for another day. But yeah, today I'm getting this fixed and I'm really excited about it, and yeah, thank you for doing this. Really appreciate it. But yeah, so here's some sticker. I bought it for you, and yeah, so some new stuff, bunch of new stuff. Yeah, so hope you like them. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. Well, now I'm gonna have my key over to Leighton and we'll be back in I don't know, couple days?
Yeah.
Couple days. So yeah, peace out.